I'm sure you really want to learn how to create or wear a sumptuous red ombre glossy lips like this. If you're curious, keep on watching. We obviously started by cleaning off the previous lippy she had on, and I patted her lips with a powdered brush. And now I am applying the So Pro lip stain. I love to use a matte lippy when I am lining the lips, particularly when I'm trying to create a much more pigmented lipstick application. And aside that, it lasts longer. So stay with me, guys. Once I had finished lining the lips, I applied this red lippy from MAC Cosmetics right at the middle of the lips. And then as I apply, I try to blend. Now I am also applying a orange tone lippy in the middle of the lips. And then I am going to be blending as well. You can either stick with your matte lipstick or you choose to apply a lip gloss like I'm doing right now. We have a well-detailed tutorial of the entire look from start to finish, so click the link in the description down below to watch. And if you like content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.